YouTube, we back with another video, man. And as y'all seen from my last video, we had a little problem, little rocking discrepancy, but you know we was gonna get that fixed real fast. Out here with my little man. This is my youngest right here. Say what's up, man. Say what's up to the camera. You wanna say what's up? Oh, you bored. But yeah, man, you know, we back with another video, man. I'm actually outside right now. Sitting right here with the car, of course. Outside because, you know, we got parts on the way. Parts are out for delivery. So we waiting on them parts to come in right now. I'm waiting on this UPS truck to pull up. Hey, let's get these boxes open, man. Yeah, I'm still missing something, but okay, let's do an unboxing right now. All right, first of all, what we got here? If y'all order one of these, y'all probably already know what this is. And if you know me, you know I needed one of these for the longest, so forget it, let's just do it. Yes, sir, alternator, man. I had to get an alternator, man. I don't understand how, man, listen. I had so much trouble with my alternator that I got now. I'm so happy to see a brand new one. It comes with an alternator, it comes with a belt, comes with another tensioner pulley. Yeah, man, if you know me, man, I need an alternator for a long time, G. Like my car, it was tricky. Like I do a pull in the car and the tech charging system will come on and the battery light will come on, and then I keep riding around and then it just randomly just go off or randomly appear. In this box is radiator. Of course, you know I damaged my radiator. If you haven't seen my last video, go check that out. When I destroyed my car, I've been sitting here for almost 3 weeks, just sitting here. It's got spider webs on it. It looks terrible. If you ain't seen my last video, go check it out. It looks bad. Yeah, brand new radiator. Definitely need this. Probably needed this anyway, but yeah, brand new radiator for the car, you know. My radiator is busted. Like I said, you go check my last video. My radiator is busted up like right here in this area right here where it's cracked at. But yeah, go check that out, man, if you ain't seen it. What we got in here, man, that they done super wrapped up like this. Slice that open, yeah. Just like that. What y'all got up in here for me? Wow, look at that, baby. Oh yeah, baby, you know I got to get a K number. You know we couldn't go back. Like I said, if you watching my last video, you seen that I damaged a lot of stuff and the K member was one of them. So I had to get a new K member right here. But of course, you know, we wasn't gonna go back with that in the factory. We had to go with the aftermarket. Look at that K member, boy. Woo! It's crazy. First time ever getting the K member. That's crazy. I'm excited. I'm happy as hell, man. But yeah, you know, we going on to big things. It's still a street car though. Still a street car though, but it's starting to look real race car-y. Yeah. Like, you know, it's starting to look a little race car-y. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, man. Let me get this up out of here. Hold on, man. Got your K member right here, man, with all the bells and whistles too. Got the bolts and all that in the inside, so yeah, we good to go on that. But yeah, man, you know, I'm still waiting on my oil pan. My oil pan ain't came in yet, but I just wanted to get this video out. You know, it's 4th of July. We about to go crazy later on, so to make sure you watch this whole video because we got something special planned for the night. Me and the guys plan on doing something a little crazy. But yeah, make sure you watch the rest of this video. But yeah, you know, just an update on the whip. Got the radiator right here. I got a new alternator because my alternator is bad in my car. And I got a new BMRK member right here. Got a new BMRK member right here. So, you know, staying busy, man. Staying busy. Trying to get this baby back on the road. You know how it go. Life happens. Things happen. If you haven't seen what happened, go check out my last video. You see that I ran over a brick and, yeah, got a little bit of damage up under here. But yeah, waiting on the oil pan to get here. Got the K member and stuff right here. But continue to watch the video, man. Operation Create Your Own Launcher. Oh damn, nah, I don't think this gonna work.
What's that?
Cause this shit can't even stand up. That bitch won't even stand up in there. I gotta make it stand up. Like, see how it falling to the side? That shit gonna be a. Hold on. I gotta take the string off.
Back the fuck up. That's all I gotta say.
Ooh, this shit finna be crazy.
Let's try it.
They're standing up though.
I'm seeing the touch.
They're standing up now. I don't know what's gonna happen right here. We can all be in jail, but we finna see. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
That's the only one friend or is that more?
It destroyed. That's it though.
That was one little firework.
Yeah, that's it. Turn you up, nigga.
Yo. Man, I don't even know if I got that on tape, nigga. When I seen that shit ain't work, I started. Round two. Round two. Oh shit. Round two. Oh. No more. Hey yo! Oh shit! Hey, yeah. Oh, that shit went back in there.
Finished product.
Yeah, that shit went back in there. That shit's dangerous, nigga. Oh, attempt number 3. Ah, Chick-fil-A cup. Oh, that shit on fire. Hey, that shit loud, nigga.
Motherfucker, yeah, nigga. Yeah, you better do a different nigga shit.
Yo, that Chick-fil-A shit is destroyed, nigga.
Disintegrated.
That's good. Like that. Ain't no turning back now.
No.
Wait, not yet. Come on, like, you ready? Listerine bottle experiment.
Hey, yo, get back.
Oh! Hey, my man. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. You got hit? Hey, I ain't know she was gonna do that.
Hey, that shit was fucking.
Hey, that just shot up and came right here, nigga. That shit almost put the power out. I ain't get it. I ain't record that one.
Hey, that shit was close as fuck. That shit was right there, nigga. See that?
Yo, that shit lit up the whole porch over there, nigga.
Oh,
Hey, this is attempt number what, 5?
5.
All right, go ahead. Oh, shit. Oh, right. Hey, yo, this ain't shot in the bushes right here. Like that bitch. Take number. Oh shit, the car's coming. Hey yo. Oh shit. Oh. Hey, that nigga gonna be running fast as hell.
Hey, I don't know about this, cuz.
Oh shit, the whole thing there. We gotta find something else to use. Yeah, we gotta use something else. That It's ground zero.
yeah.
You gonna post this on your regular channel?
Yeah. Look, baked beans. Be at it. Alright, come on, Rico. Oh, hold on, wait. Yeah, you can put it in there.
She got baby juice all in the pot of that motherfucker.
Oh shit! Hey, no, fuck it. I don't. It ain't even matter. Y'all niggas just run.
Yeah, that's it.
Hold on, wait, hold on. Now, yeah. Niggas smell like burnt beans out here.
Hey, what's your fucking retarded ass?
Alright, we ready. We ready. Ain't nobody coming.
Run! Oh!
Hey yo! Hey yo! Look at the aftermath, nigga. That nigga in that bullshit, nigga. That shit was actually perfect. Look.
Run can up.
Hell no, they can't eat that.
Got a lot of
Not the beans. Not the beans. Oh shit, nigga, you were too busy running this shit. Move!
That nigga turned 11.
Alright, go ahead. Ah, fuck!
Hey, nigga.
Oh shit, I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. Oh shit. I couldn't do it. What coffee everywhere over here? Man, I tried to put the top on, I couldn't. Why is nigga coughing so much? Are you allergic to coffee? Hey. Ah!
Put this one in the video, nigga. You see my hat fall on my head and shit, nigga. Hold on, wait, let me zoom out.
Look around, we some dumb niggas.
You see my hat fall off the head and shit, man. And then boing, goddamn.
That cup ain't.
We fucking serious.
I'm talking about. He got mad shit to clean up. Alright, go ahead, we go. Like that mother.
Oh,
Oh, this car's coming.
On the bike. Oh,
My nigga. Oh, yo. Yo.
disintegrated.
Hey.
Boss this motherfucker.
Hey, yo.
Hey, follow 302 Nightmare, fucking like, subscribe, and that's it. Comment too, bitch.